Our name is Pereira Ramirez Ramos Totti 1997 also now associated by name Son is a Vietnamese Brazilian professional footballer who currently has a strip for Vietnam one club website named in the Vietnam national football team. Son is the first player in history we know of Vietnam Blue to play soccer of all the teams in the German football Bundesliga.